Sir, our present graduates who have secured first, second and third positions at the Bachelor of Science in Business and Management Examination 2011 and are being awarded the gold, silver and bronze medals, and also those graduates who are being awarded Certificate of Honor for securing highest marks in the modules of Stage 3. May I now request our chairperson, Mrs. Malvika Rai, to join us for the award of medals and Certificate of Honor. Dr. Kulwant Rai Gold Medal for securing first position is being awarded to Shristi Pandey. She is also awarded the Certificate for Honor for securing highest marks in International Business Strategy and Taxation and Personal Finance. Dr. Kulwant Rai Silver Medal for securing second position is awarded to Sunaya Sharma. She is also awarded the Certificate of Honor in Understanding Strategic Management and Contemporary Issues in Accounting. Dr. Kulwant Rai Bronze Medal for securing third position is awarded to Mayuri Bansal. She is also awarded the Certificate of Honor in Applied Strategic Management. Other recipients of the Certificates of Honor are Aditya Nayan for Service Marketing, Dipanshu Sharma for Retail Marketing and Services Marketing, Pranav Trikha for Ethics in Business and Society, E-Commerce and Corporate Marketing, Pratik Khulbe for Marketing and Entrepreneurship, Ridhima Sasan for Global Business Environment, Siddharth Jain for Ethics in Business and Society, Shubham Jain for Corporate Reporting, Sonali Dhi for Human Resource Management, Sohil Dhi for Human Resource Management, Sonakshi Agarwal for Auditing, Sunny Goyal for Corporate Reporting and Retail Marketing, Sunny Sachdeva for International Finance, Ritika Bindal for International Accounting, Urvashi Nandrajog for Ethics in Business and Society, and Pulkit Mittal for International Accounting. Thank you. Vice Chancellor Sir, now I wish to announce the recipient of the best project of the graduating year. Sir, of the various projects submitted, the project on strategic report on Whitbread PLC UK, Costa Coffee, submitted by Mary Binsel, have been adjudged best for the award of the special prize. May I request you, sir, to please award the prize? Mary Binsel. Yeah. Sir, this concludes the award of the medals and the certificate of honor. May I now request our director, Professor Sapna Popli, to deliver her address.
On behalf of the Ireland family, I express my sorrow and deep sense of loss on the passing away on the 18th day of October 2011 of our cherished founder and chairman emeritus Dr. Kulwant Rai. Entrepreneur, industrialist, philanthropist, educationist, Dr. Kulwant Rai was a self-made man. Born on November 4, 1924, in a family of wealthy landowners, he lost his father at the age of 12. After completing his graduation from Delhi College of Commerce, Lahore, in 1946, Dr. Rai chose not to join the family business. Instead, he moved to Delhi with ₹5,000 taken from his mother to venture out on his own. In a short period, Dr. Rai built a large business empire having interests in steel, textiles and electronics. After 40 years in business, in 1986, Dr. Kulwant Rai handed over the reins of his empire to his sons and decided to devote his life to education and to service under the Sri Satya Sai organization. Dr. Rai truly believed his success in business was made possible only because of the grace of God, and that he must devote his life in the service of the less fortunate. For him, the greatest wealth was love and humility. Dr. Kulwant Rai's abiding passion was education. The Rai School, now known as the Banyan Tree School, was set up in the 1986 and the IILM Graduate School of Management in 1993. Dr. Kulwant Rai had explained his goal in education based on the teachings of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. The process of education is to render the individual a happier and more useful person. It must also make him a better citizen, able and willing to further the progress of the nation to which he belongs. In 1992, Dr. Kulwant Rai received the National Award from the Honorable President of India in recognition of his contributions to the social cause. In the year 2000, the University of Bradford honored him with the degree of Doctor of the University. Dr. Kulwant Rai's devotion, his generosity and his humility touched everyone he met. His services to the less fortunate shall always be remembered with gratitude and reverence. His passing away is an irreparable loss to all who knew him. An extraordinary individual has left us, but we will remember Dr. Kulwant Rai and his remarkable leadership, integrity, deep devotion and magnificent generosity with profound gratitude and the deepest respect. Today, we rededicate ourselves to living out the ideals our founder set before us and pray that his vision always guides our endeavors. Professor Mark Vere, Vice Chancellor, University of Bradford, Professor Sarah Dixon, Dean, School of Management, our Chairperson, Mrs. Malvika Rai, distinguished members of our Board of Governors, faculty members, proud parents, and my dear students. A very warm welcome to the 13th graduation ceremony of the IILM Undergraduate Business School. IILM Undergraduate Business School has come a long way since its first batch in 1996. Over 950 students have graduated in these years. Today, another batch is graduating as the collaboration gets into its 16th year of successful partnership. The program offered by IILM Undergraduate Business School in collaboration with the University of Bradford is of equivalent standard to the UK-based awards. It is not only quality assured by the internal processes of the School of Management,